Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can change your YouTube channel name. So first, you need to go to youtube.com and log into your account, or you can also launch the YouTube application. Tap on the profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen, then select View Your Channel, then select YouTube Studio. You can directly go to studio.youtube.com and log into your account as well. From this page, select Customization, that is between Earn and Audio Library. Now scroll down and you'll get the section of name that is between Picture and Handle. Simply delete the previous name on your YouTube channel and add a new one. Then after, select Publish in the top right corner, which is highlighted in black color, and you'll be done. Remember that changes to your name and picture only appears on your YouTube and not other Google services. And you can change name twice every 14 days. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.